Hi everybody, it's Bill from XcentricK. Today we're going to talk about our 87 Mustang. This one has gone through a big transformation and it's now just about at the point of getting its last final prime before we start doing the blocking. James and Sean and Chris have been working really hard to get all of our gaps and our matching done really well, bringing everything together so the Cervini's body kit will fit together properly and all look like it would have come out of the factory this way. It's a pretty aggressive kit, so we're trying to make it all look like it would have if the factory had produced it this way. The stage that we're at right now is taking it to the point where everything behind the scenes will get primed, the base car itself will get primed, and then we can start putting the last little bits together and blocking it together as a unit. So it's come a long way. All of our repairs are done, all of our body work is done. We're just down to final blocking now. So once we get this part finished, into the final stages of blocking, then we've got a huge amount to do to this car. We've got all of our suspension starting to come in, our air ride. This is going to be really cool, this one, because it'll be able to slam down to the ground. It'll have a nice set of big wheels and tires on it. It'll have a custom interior in it. Big motor, big ass 347 stroker in it. Nice transmission, big brakes in it. This is going to be cool cars, but it's still got a bit of ways to go. But this is a big step in it right now, and it'll allow us to be able to work on it up in the mechanical side in the next couple of weeks, which will start taking some big advances on the car. So stay tuned on this one. I know a lot of Fox Body guys, a lot of Mustang guys have been looking at this and writing in comments. So if you got any ideas or any comments or anything you'd like to know about it, give us a call, shoot us an email, bounce back on YouTube. Let us know what you think, and hopefully you like what we're doing here. So keep in touch.